हम डिजिटल बिजनेस ओनर्स के टाइटल के साथ तो हर बार अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, बट आई नो दैट वी आर ऑल्सो रियल पीपल, राइट? सो आई वॉन्ट माई ऑडियंसेस एंड योर ऑडियंसेस टू ऑल्सो नो अ लिटिल बिट अबाउट who is Anamika, not the digital business owner, who is Anamika as a person. So I have a
Absolutely.
segment before I let you go. I'll go to my final segment, which is Quick Five with Deepti. So I have quick five questions for you. What is your one morning routine जो आपके लिए must है every morning?
One morning routine, I won't say it's been there for a long time. It's a new morning routine, but I'm sticking to it.
Okay.
And I'm loving it. That's my morning routine is writing affirmations and reading it and doing meditations. So this is
Okay.
the new routine which I have developed after starting this business in this business journey, and I'm loving it, absolutely loving it. And that gratitude is bringing a lot of it's really helping me with my growth, with my self feeling, self belief. So yeah, that's one thing which I am doing every morning and loving it.
Oh, what a beautiful way to start your day, Anamika.
Thank
And
you.
because I think आजकल के time में we always talk about mental fitness, physical fitness. तो
Yeah.
अगर आपको option दी जाए to hit the gym or go for a long walk in the park, which one would you choose?
I'm a nature person. I love nature, so I would rather go for a walk, long walk, and enjoy the serene around me and see things and just listen to music or just so yeah,
Nice.
long walks.
Long walks for you. It sounds amazing. And in real life, Anamika, especially I'm sure audiences are going to be very keen because, we are in this business of online space and we talk so much. But real life में Anamika कैसी है? Is she an introvert or is she an extrovert?
That's a very interesting question, and उसका आंसर भी बहुत ही interesting है that I am
Mhm.
both.
Okay.
I don't know if you have heard, there are people who have both the personalities in
For
them.
sure. For
So
sure.
I am that person.
Okay.
जिसके अंदर इंट्रोवर्ट एंड एक्सट्रोवर्ट दोनों ही चीजें हैं. एंड
Right.
बट आई वाज नॉट आई हैव बीन एन इंट्रोवर्ट बाय बर्थ, बट
Mhm.
वो एक्सट्रोवर्ट पर्सनालिटी आई हैव डेवलपड ओवर द years.
I'm sure a lot of people, who are listening might be nodding right now saying that, yeah, yeah, I feel you. Perfect, Anamika. And Anamika, question number 4 for you. Now, on a weekend, especially ये weekends पे करने की luxury हमें ज़्यादा मिलती है, right? तो on a weekend, what would you prefer? Order in करना चाहोगे या would you want to deck up and go out and dine?
So इसका भी आंसर मेरा is like earlier
Hmm.
when I was younger, I would have preferred on a Friday evening. Generally, if it's an outside food, I like to go out and have a nice ambience and eat, dress up. I like to dress up, so I would like to go out and eat. But abhi ka, if you're talking about a Friday Friday evening, I would be more like want just be home with my family, enjoy the family time. So I would order in. But if it's a Saturday or something, I would rather go out
Go out.
and get ready. If I have time to just, spend some time on myself, get ready, dress up, and just go out and eat.
Now, before I let you go, we've reached question number 5 और इस question में मैं जानना चाहूंगी अनामिका आपसे कि what is that one thing जो आपके बारे में बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं? Very few people know this part of Anamika. वो क्या है?
Okay, very nice. So that one part what only my friends probably or my family only knows that I before going to the IT line or computers line, I have also done a diploma in textile designing.
Oh,
So yeah,
okay.
I have an artistic hand. So,
Mhm.
I was very good with my drawings and crafts and stuff. So that was originally my thought line, like what I wanted to do. That was what I wanted to do.
Okay.
Do something creative field. And I did a diploma there, and I wanted to continue as an fashion designer. So I wanted to go to Delhi and do NIF में fashion designing a course. But at that time, because of the social pressure and a lot of stuff, my dad said, no, you should, go for something which is more जिसमें ज्यादा अच्छी जॉब मिलेगी, अच्छा पैसे होंगे, वो आपके अंदर इंडिया में वो भी एक चीज होती थी पहले ना, सोशल प्रेशर कि आपकी डिग्री क्या है, आपकी शादी किस घर में होगी, वो सब भी मैटर करता था, राइट? सो इस वजह से मुझे अपना पूरा राउट ही चेंज करना पड़ा. सो फ्रॉम fashion designing, textile designing, I moved to IT.
Wow.
IT career. So that is one thing which not a lot of people know, that I have a background in textile designing, like more designing, not
My
engineering,
God.
designing.
That is I don't think कि हम में से कोई guess कर पाता, because especially the moment you hear that somebody comes from an IT background, हम assume कर लेते हैं throughout education IT में ही रही होगी, you know.
Yes.
So that's a thing that we all immediately assume. So this I'm sure is like a very it's a revelation of sorts कि आप एक fashion designer you know की route पे जाना चाहते थे, but you brought yourself to IT. So
IT. Yes.
thank you so much, Anamika. You know, this was so much fun क्योंकि
Thank you so much.
आज हमने आपका डिजिटल बिजनेस साइड भी देखा है, एंड आई थिंक मेरी ऑडियंसेस एंड आपकी ऑडियंसेस ने आज आपको यू नो जस्ट एज अनामिका भी थोड़ा सा और जाना है. So it was lovely having this conversation. What a beautiful way to start 2026. Thank you once again for this time, and I hope कि हम जल्द connect करेंगे for more such interesting conversations.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.